Hey guys, how good does this look? Brand new 76, 4 inches of lift and 35-inch tyres, completely street legal Australia-wide. This one's been put together for Josh from South Australia, a repeat customer of ours with some of his previous vehicles, but now it's time to get the brand new 76 on the road. We've got the Jmacx coil conversion underneath, ATD bar work up the front, and a few other bits and pieces that really do make this 76 look awesome. I'll take you through a few bits and pieces. So starting up the front, we've got the ATD Customs bar. These are built in Queensland, they're handmade and they really are a work of art. We get these coated locally by a company called ROH with their shingleback coating. It's a really neat finish, the quality is great, very hard wearing and very resistant to scratches and chips. Mounted in the ATD bar, we've got the Ultravision 180 Max driving lights, we've got a worn VR EVO winch, and up the top here we've got the GME 1.2 metre aerial with the fold down bracket. The ATD bars have got heaps of aerial mounts, obviously our spotlight mounts and winch compatible. You can put your number plate up the front here, built-in recovery points and bash plate underneath. So also in the bar we've got your LED light bars which are built in, and we've also got the sequential indicators on both sides as well, and we've got the indicators hooked into the vehicle indicators as with the indicators in the side rails and steps. So flowing on from the bar, we do have the dual side rails and steps from ATD which flow into our single step. You can customize the text and get whatever you like. Josh chose to get Landcruiser written on there, and that comes with a grip tape on top as well, which is really grippy so you're not going to slip over even when it's wet. On the other side there we've got the Safari ARMAX snorkel, 4-inch intake, fully sealed from dust and from water. We've got the ROH Assault wheels and the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tyres, the most common tyre we've been fitting these days. These are in the 35-inch tyre, which with this GVM upgrade is completely legal. Moving on, we've got the Torqit exhaust, the Airbag Man airbags, we've got the Jmacx billet radius arms, the Jmacx brake booster. All of those parts are part of this coil conversion package. So the coil conversion gives you that 4-inch lift, the legal with the 35s. It's a coil conversion in the rear, so we've taken the leaf springs out, swapped over to coils, track corrected rear diff housing. As I mentioned, the brake upgrade, it's all part of that compliant GVM kit. Inside we've done a roof console with LED touch lights, which has the GME UHF in it, and we've also done a floor console. So this is the perfect platform for Josh. He's going to take this car now, put a few Ks on it, and I'm sure as time goes on, he's going to add a few more bits and pieces to the build. So thank you to Josh for choosing us once again to do this work for you. And guys, if you like this car or anything else you've seen, make sure you turn on the notifications and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and obviously like this video. Thanks for watching.